Good morning, Mila. I thought it's better just to record a video to show where it's located, particularly for this week because we're starting Module 2. Students might still think that we're in Module 1, although I put lots of explanations on the announcement, but there's a lot written there. It's difficult to remember. So you go, this is my student view. So navigation menu on the right, you go to Lessons and Modules, and we're starting Module 2. You click on Module 2. We are in week 4. There's new material in week 4, but it's not going to be covered in test 1. However, it will be on test 2. So you will need to get going on that as long as your time allows. So click on week 4. You will be landing a page like this, and this is the to-do list on the week 4, right? So if you go to attendance requirement 1, and that will be your Blackboard quiz for end of Module 1. You're right, it's not very easy to figure out, although I have put some information that this Blackboard quiz will be an attendance requirement. But anyhow, I hope it's been helpful for you. So let me know if you have any other questions or concerns. See you then.